Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Walmart Pay? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply scan this QR code and download the Walmart application on your phone right now. As you can see, Walmart has brought in a Walmart Pay in store, touch-free payments. As you can see, you can leave cards and cash at home. All you need to do in order for you to go ahead and get started is just open the Walmart app on your Android or iOS device, and if you've already saved your credit, debit or gift cards to your Walmart account, you'll see them listed. If you haven't saved any cards yet, you'll have to go ahead and add one or more credit or debit cards. And finally, you can simply go ahead and choose your payment method you want to use with Walmart Pay, and that is about it. When you are in the store, however, as you can see, all you need to do is just pull out your phone and then just scan the QR that is on the screen on the store, and then you will be paying it straight from your phone. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.